Hello friends, Christine here, and I'd like to share a project I worked on a couple of years ago. This DIY headboard looked so easy on YouTube until I realized I didn't have the fancy materials, a big budget, or, any experience. But what did I have? A bunch of toiletry mirrors, a looming deadline, and a house full of kids on summer break. Before I listed my first Airbnb, I had to furnish it from scratch. And instead of buying headboards, I figured, why not make my own? I had seen this on YouTube. Anyway, this gorgeous DIY headboard was made from concrete molds on YouTube, and I thought, I can do that. But when it came time to start, I realized I already had something that could work. Hexagon mirrors that I had bought from Dollar Tree. I bought them for another project. These were leftovers. So I pulled them out of the box. Half of them were white. They had white frames and the other ones had black. I gently popped out the mirrors and saved those for another project and started playing with the frames. I flattened out 2 big cardboard boxes to use as the backing. I laid out the frames in a cute beehive pattern and spray painted the white ones to match the black. Then came the real work, cutting foam to fit inside each frame, covering it with silver fabric and gluing them all in place. This part took the longest. I had a lot of pieces to work with, about 80, and just a few days before the Airbnb had to go live. So I recruited my kids and their cousins. Why were they spending summer at my house? Anyway, I honestly couldn't have done it without them. Because the headboard was so wide, I made it in 2 large panels, mounted them side by side on the wall, and connected them for a seamless look. And here is how it turned out. Honestly, better than I imagined and totally unique. So tell me, would you have bought the molds or tried the Dollar Tree hack like this? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this project, hit that subscribe button. And there is a lot more where it came from. I'll see you in the next project. Bye for now.